I, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department, Sanskriti University, Mathura. We will discuss about here organometallics. Organometallics, what is the organometallics? We will discuss here. Uh, the compound with metal carbon bond or metal carbon link are referred to as a organometallic compound. There are different types like dimethyl magnesium, Me2Mg, or Gilman reagent, R2Cu lithium, and triethyl borane. And next, we will discuss about the um, organomagnesium compound called as a Grignard reagent. Firstly, Grignard reagent discovered by the great scientist like Victor Grignard, uh, which won the Nobel Prize in 1912. So, firstly, question arises like what are the Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent the organomagnesium compound, organomagnesium halide, in which the organic like RMG R, where R referred to as a alkyl group like C2H5, CH3, CH3, S7, and Mg as a metal which have a 2 electron outside outer sphere orbital. And next is X, maybe Cl, Br, and I. So next, firstly, synthesize the Grignard reagent. How to synthesize of Grignard reagent? Firstly, we discuss the alkyl halide reacted with alkyl halide reacted with magnesium metal in the presence of diethyl ether, which provide the RMgX. R may be methyl propyl group and ethyl group. So Mg is metal which have the oxidation state is -1. Next is Grignard application of Grignard. There are different type of Grignard applications like reaction with reaction with acetone, acetone, CH3 CH, CH3 CO CH3. This is the acetone reacted with Grignard reagent. Here, Grignard reagent is strong nucleophile, strong nucleophile, nucleophile, which reacted with the electrophile, electrophile. Here we get R RCO CH3 CH3 COMgX. Here represent plus sign, this represent minus sign. This is the intermediate compound. This is the intermediate compound which is the unstable, unstable compound which reacted with acidic or butter which produce the tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. How to here question arises, how to identify the tertiary alcohol. So here three alkyl group attached at the same carbon atom is called as a tertiary alcohol. And next we will discuss the this is the reaction with aldehyde. Here this is the aryl magnesium chloride reacted with aldehyde, which give the intermediate compound. After finally we get the secondary alcohol. Here we understand from this mechanism like aldehyde. So see reaction with aldehyde, reaction with aldehyde, reaction with aldehyde. CH3 COH. This is called as a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Hyde. Reacted with aryl aryl compound. Any you can choose any compound AR AMgX. Aryl magnesium halide. This is called as a aryl magnesium aryl magnesium magnesium halide. Here air group is act as a strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophile. Here, carbonyl group is carbonyl carbonyl group act as a electrophile. Electrophile. See, this represent a minus sign nucleophile. That it means nucleophile. This is plus sign. This is already plus. This is minus. This is sign obtained occupy according to the electronegativity difference between the two atoms. So we attack AR attack the carbonyl functional group, that is the carbon atom, which push the electron toward the oxygen atom. Finally, we get a intermediate compound like CH3 OMgX. This one is H, here AR. AR. This is the intermediate compound. Intermediate compound. That is also unstable, called as a unstable compound. Compound. Finally, hydrolysis this intermediate compound. Hydrolysis like H plus H2 here. So This is already assigned by negative sign. This is positive sign. Reaction occur between negative electronegative atom and electropositive atom. This one is electropositive atom. This one is electronegative atom. Electronegative atom. Reaction occur between the electronegative and electropositive atom. We will get finally CH3 CH3 AR H OH, and we get along with the product MgOH X minus. This is the byproduct magnesium hydroxide halide, and main product is secondary alcohol. We get a secondary alcohol. After the reaction between the acetaldehyde and aryl magnesium halide, we get a secondary alcohol. So, how to identify the secondary alcohol? Secondary alcohol, two alkyl aryl group present at the same carbon atom, that is called as a secondary alcohol. So we will discuss about next application of Grignard reagent reaction with, we discuss about reaction with esters. Reaction with esters, here we see the RMgX represent as a Grignard reagent. Here R represent a alkyl alkyl group alkyl group which attack at the carbon atom of carbonyl group, which electron pushes toward the oxygen atom. Here R, the intermediate compound is, after that reaction between the Grignard reagent and esters, we get a intermediate. This compound, that is the unstable compound. Further reacted with the oxygen hydrolysis, we finally get the tertiary alcohol. We understand from this mechanism, like reaction with reaction with ester. Reaction with ester. We see, firstly represent the esters RCOOR. This is the general mechanism of esters. This is called as a ester. React with the RMgX. RMgX. Here we RMgX called as a Grignard reagent. This is a short form of Grignard reagent, GR. So we get a tertiary alcohol after the completion of this reaction. Tertiary alcohol. So how to identify the tertiary alcohol? Tertiary alcohol means three alkyl group attached at the same carbon atom, that is called as a tertiary alcohol. So we discuss the mechanism of this compound, like this is the assigned as a negative, this is positive, this is negative, This is positive, partial positive. So nucleophile alkyl group attack at the electropositive atom, that is called as a electrophile, which pushes the electron towards the oxygen atom. We get a intermediate compound like this RMgX. RMgX. See, this is the OR OR oxide alkoxide group. OR means alkoxide group, where the electron move toward the this atom and pushes the OR group. OR group here, OR represent as a alkoxide alkoxide functional group. Functional group. Finally, we get double bond COR. Acetone compound. Acetone. That is acetone. Yeah, dialkyl ketone. Ketone. This is also called as a dialkyl ketone. After that, this acetone dialkyl compound reacted with the further RMgX. RMgX. Because of which having the carbonyl group, that is oxygen assigned a minus charge or carbon atom assigned a positive charge. This assigned a negative, this is a positive. Negative positive interaction takes place here. So negative side attack at this positive carbon atom, which pushes the electron toward the oxygen atom. So finally we get another intermediate compound like R C O M G X. R next is to assign the R dash. So this is the intermediate, another intermediate compound, which get finally we get hydrolysis H2O H plus H2O H plus. Here, so see the reaction mechanism between the OMgX minus HOH minus plus. So minus here minus or plus interaction takes place. Minus minus we understand from this example, minus minus repulsion. Repulsion takes place. Only attraction takes place minus plus plus minus. Here, this one is attraction. Attraction takes place between the opposite charge, and repulsion takes place between the same charge. So this concept applied here. Plus plus charge, this one, and remaining compound is we get a after hydrolysis H plus H2O, we get ROH R dash R MgOH. So finally we get two molecules of magnesium hydroxide halide and tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. So reaction with the Grignard reagent with the ester, we get a tertiary alcohol, and so next reaction we will discuss here between the Grignard reagent and acid chloride, acid chloride reaction with the acid chloride. So reaction with the acid chloride. See, this is the acid chloride general chemical formula of acid chloride, like acid chloride plus reacted with the RMgX, that is Grignard reagent, RMgX, that is Grignard reagent, we get a, see the mechanism, R represent minus sign, here this is positive, here this is positive, negative. So alkyl group further reacted with the carbonyl group, that is called as a electrophile which carries the positive charge at the surface of carbon atom. So attacking alkyl group attack at the carbon atom which pushes the electron toward the oxygen atom. Finally, after that we get a intermediate compound like ROMgX Cl. This is the R, represent as a R dash R1. So further, this minus charge, as this is the unstable compound which rearrange the electron or bond towards the occupy stability, that is remove the chloride ion, chloride ion. We get RCO. This is the keto compound. Further, RMgX react with the keto compound. This is the keto compound, that is called general reaction, or maybe CH3. So this is represent as a COCl3, that is called as a acetone, 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 yeah, keto compound reacted with the, further reacted with the RMgX Grignard reagent. This is called as a Grignard reagent. We get alkyl group attack towards the carbon atom which assign, which having the partial positive charge because of electronegativity difference between the oxygen and carbon atom. So this attack, this occupy a negative charge because of oxygen atom more electronegative than carbon atom. So we get finally RMg RCOMgX R dash. Further, we assign R2, this one plus. After hydrolysis, we can say hydrolysis or assign H plus H2 reaction with hydrolysis. We get tertiary tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means tertiary. Next, Grignard reagents react with another compounds like carbon dioxide. Reaction with the carbon dioxide, we get a reaction with carbon dioxide, that is CO2 carbon dioxide, that is CO2. How to reaction is possible with the Grignard reagent? Like we understand from this mechanism the reaction between the CO2 carbon dioxide and Grignard reagent, like RMgX plus CO double bond O double bond O. So C assign occupy a positive charge because of less electronegative atom between the less electronegative atom than the oxygen atom. So we assign minus charge. This is positive charge, occupy positive charge. Here negative because of strong nucleophile. Nucleophile attack at the less electronegative atom, that is carbon atom, which pushes the electron toward the oxygen atom because of electronegative atom. How to define the electronegativity atom? To attain the electron toward itself, the power of attain the electron towards itself, that is called as a electronegativity. So we get RMg R R CO CO double bond OMgX, here represent minus sign. This is the unstable compound further reacted with the butter molecules. We get RCOOH. This is the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. After the reaction of acid chloride, carbon dioxide, this is carbon dioxide, we get a carboxylic acid, that is CH3OH, or maybe CH3 methyl group, maybe C2H5, maybe C3H7. This is methyl group. This is the ethyl group. This is the propyl group. If we see this example, or maybe CS3 CO, or this is the same compound CS3 COOH. So finally we get the methyl carboxylic acid. So another application of Grignard reagent, see, we discussed the some examples with the acid chloride. Finally we get ketone. And next, reaction with amides. Amides like CONH2. This is the functional group, also called as a amides group. Reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide. This is the methyl magnesium bromide. We finally we get the acetone from the reaction with amides. Reaction with epoxide. Epoxide is the closed ring compound RMgX react with the one corner side, and then finally we get the alcoholic compound.